Imagine a Ferrari that doesn't just chase speed, but completely redefines what a modern Grand Tourer should feel like. A car that blends the raw emotion of Ferrari's legendary V8 engines with next-generation technology, a luxurious new cabin, and a design that pushes Ferrari into a bold new era. Well, that car is finally here. This is the 2026 Ferrari Amalfi. With an all-new twin-turbo V8, a stunning Grand Touring silhouette, and one of the biggest interior changes Ferrari has made in years. The Amalfi could be the most important Ferrari road car of the decade. So the real question is simple. Is the Amalfi the new benchmark for modern GT cars? Or just another beautiful Ferrari? Let's find out. The 2026 Ferrari Amalfi arrives at a very important moment in Ferrari's history. The brand is slowly moving toward hybrid systems, electrification, and cleaner technology. But at the same time, Ferrari knows something very important. Its soul has always been built on emotional engines, beautiful design, and the feeling you get every time you press the throttle. The Amalfi is Ferrari's attempt to balance both worlds. Positioned as Ferrari's next-generation Grand Tourer, the Amalfi effectively replaces the Roma as the entry-level front-engine V8 Ferrari. But make no mistake, this is not a small update. This is a major step forward. The Amalfi is designed for drivers who want Ferrari performance, without the extreme nature of mid-engine supercars. It's about long-distance comfort, combined with real supercar speed. For the US market, this timing couldn't be better. Luxury GT buyers want cars that are fast, comfortable, and usable every day. That puts the Amalfi directly against rivals like the Aston Martin DB12, Bentley Continental GT V8, and even the Porsche 911 Turbo S. But Ferrari believes it can beat them all, with sharper handling, cleaner aerodynamics, and a more modern driving experience. Ferrari calls the Amalfi the new face of Ferrari GT design. Slimmer LED headlights, a sculpted front nose, and smoother body lines that reduce drag, while still looking unmistakably Ferrari. And there's a lot more to talk about. So let's break down what really makes the 2026 Ferrari Amalfi special. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, better voice commands, and a cleaner, faster interface. On the road, early impressions are very positive. The Amalfi uses Ferrari's latest adaptive suspension system, giving it two personalities. At low speeds, it's smooth, comfortable, and relaxed. Push it harder, and it becomes sharp, responsive, and aggressive. Steering feels more natural than the Roma. Grip levels are higher, and the car feels lighter than expected. Ferrari even worked on the sound. Despite strict emissions rules, the Amalfi delivers more real V8 character into the cabin. Not artificial sound, but genuine mechanical emotion. And all of this leads us to the most important part. So what's the final verdict? The 2026 Ferrari Amalfi is one of the most balanced Grand Tours Ferrari has ever built. You get the emotion of a Ferrari V8, the comfort of a luxury GT, and modern technology without going fully electric. The pros are clear: a stunning new design, a much better interior, a sharper, more responsive engine, and a perfect balance of comfort and performance. There are a few downsides. No hybrid option for future-focused buyers. Rear seats are mostly symbolic, and infotainment still isn't the best in its class. But for buyers who want a Ferrari they can drive every day, to work, on road trips, or through winding mountain roads, the Amalfi might be the best Ferrari choice in 2026. In Europe, improved efficiency also makes it more practical than ever. In the end, the Amalfi isn't just a new model. It's a clear message from Ferrari about the future. Cleaner design, more comfort, smarter performance. Now it's your turn. Is the 2026 Ferrari Amalfi the perfect modern Grand Tourer? Or would you still choose the Aston Martin DB12 or Bentley Continental GT? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more car content, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next.